fact, around 72% of successful brands have made up words or acronyms. Let's work together and create the best name for your business. Take a look at Apt Cleaners. Sounds good, right? Apt means adequate and apartment at the same time. It's witty and literal at the same time while building the association of your business as apartment cleaners. They easily become part of 72% mentioned earlier. As you can see, a business name is a strong tool and the first step for you to create a business. It needs to be catchy and memorable at the same time. Here at BrandCrowd, we don't only believe in helping you reach your goals in terms of graphic design. We want to help you start up your business as well. Allow us to help you create the perfect business name through this video. But before anything else, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. And give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, let's get into the meaty stuff. Take the first step into creating a business through getting to know the naming process and patterns to aid in your decision. The naming process of every business consists of 7 steps. First is creating a mood board. Take inspiration from anything that relates to your business. From food, items, and scenery, you can take inspiration from anything for this portion to plan your name. Secondly, you can start brainstorming names from the mood board you created. Make sure to get the opinion of everyone essential to your business to get more ideas generated. Thirdly, research. Emphasis on that since every country has different policies on naming your business and plagiarism precautions. You can check out your content on plagiarism and logos in the link below. Anyway, fourthly, start drafting your name. You picked out the ideas, now finalize it into the form you want. Let's say you want your business that focuses on selling various chicken parts already marinated for customers' everyday occasion needs. So you come up with the name of Chick Surplus, which means chicken surplus for every meal. Fifth step, get others' opinion on your final name. And sixth step, dry run it online. You can try using Google AdWords for this step to ensure that your name is distinct both as a business name and domain name. Lastly, for the naming process, make sure to trademark your name and/or logo if you choose a wordmark design. But even if you don't, still get any element related to your business trademarked since it fights against plagiarism. Next, we have business naming patterns. There are also 7 common patterns for naming your startup. First, be simple. Simple meaning that your business name has a literal meaning, so people know what you sell. Second, use descriptive words. Adjectives provoke action, so it's great to use them for your name. Thirdly, avoid words that are hard to spell, since it may grab the attention but not retain it from your market. Fourth, use a non-limiting name. This tactic gives your business the opportunity to grow and offer related and new products to your customers. Fifth, use initials sparingly. Sometimes initials are overrated, so when used, it's not effective, but you can try using them. Sixth, use made-up words. Like the statistic earlier said, around 72% of successful business names are made-up words or acronyms. Lastly, use mainstream words to avoid plagiarism and sounding too common that you don't stand out. Now, let's get into the naming ideas we have for you. We have 22 categories just for you. First category are unique names, so you can use other languages, mention mythology, have distinct colors paired with animals, or even have a strong meaning behind your name to give you that unique edge. Next, we have catchy business names. It could be a rhyme or an unusual name that sounds great when said out loud. Third are small business name ideas. No matter the size of your business, you deserve a name that makes your market want you. Make sure to research since you are a startup and other competitors might have used your idea or have a similar naming tactic. Fourth, creative business name ideas. Characteristics of a creative name are made-up words, poetic devices, idioms, and even making your name sound grand. Next are e-commerce name ideas. Common relationships here are business-to-business and/or business-to-consumer relationships. Since we live in a predominantly virtual world, having a unique domain name with great SEO helps you drive traffic and gain more customers. The names here are new and made up for new business name ideas. If you want a business name that screams food, these are the names for you. Or maybe you want to sell sugary treats for others. Or you want to showcase your cake creation skills. These are the names for you. Want to create a line of cosmetic skincare products? These are the perfect name ideas for you. Don't forget, health and wellness for women and men are a great way to stay beautiful physically and mentally. Maybe you want a business centered on skincare rather than beauty. It could be cosmetics or just making sure that your skin looks healthy. Or if you want to focus more on the cosmetic side of the beauty industry, these are the names for you. What about a business of maintaining the natural beauty of your client's hair? These are the business name ideas for you. Be a trendsetter regarding clothing styles and more, and make your fashion business name today. Bring fashion design ideas to life and start creating your jewelry line with these business names today. Anything made by hand is a handmade craft that people love. Go for it and get inspiration for your business name below. Or maybe you want to start a candle business. They're fragrant and illuminate any room they're lit. Check out the name ideas below. Are you into framing memories? Start your photography business today and create a memorable name for your startup. The need for clean facilities is a need nowadays, so giving your cleaning business a name it deserves. Whether it's painting, drawing, or digital art, the suggestions below will surely grab the attention of your market to make your art hobby a profitable business. Lastly, we have the real estate niche. With people looking for homes and renting spaces for their shops, it's an excellent start for your business to shine. There you have it, our complete guide to creating business names just for you. Don't forget to pair your business name with a beautiful logo from yours truly and stand out amongst the competition. Follow the links below to our other social media pages, blogs on business name ideas, plagiarism and trademarking, and Logo Maker itself. Stay tuned for next week's video and leave a comment below for any tutorials you want us to make. BrandCrowd, signing off.